Hi, my YouTube viewers. Dr. Eliza here, with new informative video with full of hidden secrets of beauty. So let's start the video. What is glutathione? Glutathione is a substance made from the amino acids glycine, cysteine, and glutamic acid. It is produced by the liver and involved in many body processes. Glutathione is involved in tissue building and repair, making chemicals and proteins needed in the body and in immune system function. Good combination for glutathione? Glutathione and vitamin C work well together by replenishing and recycling one another. What not to eat? When you are taking glutathione, avoiding alcohol, avoid caffeine, avoid certain medications, avoid processed foods, avoid smoking, and dairy foods. What is the best way for your body to absorb glutathione? Clinical and experimental evidence supporting significant glutathione absorption from orobuccal mucosa was examined. What is the fastest way to increase glutathione? Add selenium-rich foods to your diet, eating sulfur-rich vegetables. Sulfur-rich vegetables, poultry, grains, rice, bread, pasta, and vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, watercress, and mustard greens. How can you make a glutathione drink at home? Add carrot, pomegranate, beetroot, carrot, and pinch of black pepper in a food processor, juice maker. It is a great drink of taking glutathione with nature, foods and herbs that help boost glutathione levels. Naturally within the body include milk, thistle, flaxseed, seaweed, and whey. Glutathione-rich fruits, avocado, watermelon, grapefruit, oranges, strawberries are among the fruits that are high in glutathione. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.